Hey guys, beautiful Sunday morning. We just bought a new backhoe. My wife is in there, and this is her first time ever getting behind the controls of a backhoe. I think she's doing pretty dang good. It's a 2008 New Holland b90b, 95 horse, I think, around 18,000 pound machine. Four-wheel drive. She needs some new tires on her, but the pins are pretty tight. It's got a 4-in-1 bucket. If you've never used one, I highly recommend them. Pretty awesome. The hood got smashed in by the previous owners, and I looked online, $1,700 for a new hood. Kind of ridiculous. Overall, beautiful machine. We're just out here clearing up the woods. If you look on the other side of the road, you can see how thick the woods were. I spent about 8 hours out here yesterday thinning out the little stuff. There's my pond in the background. We got a little hole we dug here to get a stump out. I gotta say I'm pretty happy with the New Holland. The last backhoe I had, it's been years ago, was a Case 580K. A little light, a little underpowered. This one definitely has all the power you need to do whatever you want to do. It's great for shaping the earth. Anyway, I'll run some more video later and let you know what I think overall, but I'm pretty happy with this piece of equipment. It's not for sale.